guys, welcome to Aditya Singh Live. Today we are at Hyatt Regency and we are going to explore the Vanity Fair and I'm going to look at the luxury items. So let's go. So we are at the first counter and over here we are going to explore most organic candles. So what kind of products do you have?
I have organic products, completely handmade.
Means they are earth friendly.
Yes, eco-friendly.
Okay, and these all are candles.
No, we have candles, soaps also. We have eco-friendly concrete material, decor pieces, and we have body butters which are completely handmade and organic.
So how can my audience reach you? Do you have an online portal?
Yes, I have. They can follow me on Instagram. Pages Moose Organic Candles.
Thank you. So guys, we are at the next counter and over here we have OOAK, one of a kind, and I'm going to asking her some about her shirts. So these shirts are hand printed,
Yes, all shirts are hand painted.
and what kind of products they are? Are they woolen, cotton or synthetic?
This is linen cotton only. It is 70% cotton, 30% linen.
Oh, and how can my audience reach you? Do you have an online portal?
So I take orders on Instagram by the name of ooak.in. So I have a page. So I take orders from there.
And do you? I mean, you can sell these. I mean, you. This is all over the world, only or only in India. Oh, thank you. We are at the third counter, House of JSK Jewels, and we are going to ask what kind of products do they serve. So, what kind of products do you have?
Thank you, Aditya, for asking me. So basically, guys, we have all 18 KT gold-plated fashion accessories, and we have all the way come from Mumbai, first time to Chandigarh to display our products. So we have a lot of celebrities who adorn our products, and we are here to cater to people of Chandigarh and give the products at reasonable prices.
Okay, so how can my audience reach you? Do you have an online portal?
Yes, I have an Instagram page which is @ House of JSK Jewels. We ship pan India, and also we have a website. You can order on our website or place an order on Instagram.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Aditya, for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Welcome. So guys, we are at the next counter and this is Amaisa clothing. So we are going to ask her what kind of products do you sell? What kind of products do you have?
Hello Aditya. So we do kids wear and women's wear. All our products are handloom and hand block prints, and we make from 0 to 5 years and 12 years on customization.
So all our clothes are all baby clothing?
Yeah, baby clothing. We also do women's wear clothing and men's wear clothing. We also do matching family sets.
Okay. And what about these dolls?
These dolls are made out of waste fabrics. So all the fabrics wastage that goes, we make such dolls and then we sell it at our pop-ups.
Oh, so this means they are eco-friendly?
Yes, they are eco-friendly and they are sustainable. Even the kid puts this in the mouth, it doesn't affect because these don't have chemicals. It's not plastic. That's why.
Oh, that's good. And how can my audience reach you? Do you have an online portal?
We have an Instagram account with the same name called Mysa Clothing, MHYSA. You can place online orders.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, we are the next counter, that witness door, and we are going to ask her what kind of products do you sell? So what kind of products do you sell?
So as you can see, we sell all kinds of home decor products. We have photo frames, wall plates, and then we have ceramic products, and then we have serving platters.
And what is this usually? What is the purpose of this?
This is a spade platter. It's used for, it's a dessert or cookie stand.
And what does this do? It's just like a platter?
Yeah, it's a serving platter.
Right. And these all pictures, you also give these?
These are all wall hangings, wall plates, ceramic wall plates.
Oh. And can you tell how my audience can reach you? Do you have an online portal?
Yes, we have an Instagram account. So audience can connect us through that account.
With the same name?
Yes, that vintage store.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, we're at the next counter, Boria Basta, and over here we're going to see what kind of products do you sell. They sell. So what kind of products do you sell?
There are bags, baskets, etc. Table runners, rugs. They're all hand done, and we use 100% cotton yarns to weave them.
So where are they made?
The weaving happens in Khairabad, which is close to Lucknow, UP.
And what is this? I actually saw this and I don't understand what this is exactly.
This is a tissue box. It's a tissue box. You just open it like that, put the tissues inside, and then you can keep pulling them out.
Okay, thank you. And can you tell how my audience can reach you? Do you have an online portal?
Yeah, so the brand name Boria Basta has an Instagram page. We've got a website also. So they can get in touch with me there.
With the same name?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So guys, we're the next counter, Daily Wook Jewelry, and we are going to ask what kind of products do they sell. So what kind of products do you sell?
We sell semi-precious stone jewelry and anti-tarnish jewelry, CZ zircon jewelry. That's a speciality. Semi-precious jewelry is our speciality, and Kundan, Polki, Moissanite diamond earrings. It's all made out of brass and it's stainless steel.
So do you also keep bracelets and do you keep bracelets?
Yes, we do keep bracelets as well.
And they all are made out of stones?
So we do keep stone bracelets as well, but we even keep anti-tarnish jewelry as well.
And can you tell how my audience can reach you? Do you have an online portal?
Yeah, we do have an Instagram page at the name Daily Wook Jewelry.
Thank you. So we are gonna ask Himani about what she liked from Daily Wook Jewelry. So what did you like about what did
Pieces I love the most.
and what did you buy from them?
The neckline, neck piece.
Oh, and what do you say? What is so special in these neck pieces?
Everything is very nice in this exhibition. The collection here, there, everyone.
And thank you. So guys, we're the next counter, high fashion, and over here they make products out of pure diamonds. Of course, I'm talking about clothing, and they're so soft that if you wear them, your body feels so relaxed that you can even do yoga in them. And the normal jeans that we wear every day are made of 8-9 oars. Oars means thickness, but they make each and every product in just 2-3 oars. This bag is very lightweighted, so if you ever want to make your body feel relaxed, be sure to buy it from High Fashion. And they also have a variety of clothing such as trousers, knickers, crop tops and skirts. With the next counter, Mystic Healing Rays, and we're going to ask her what do they do?
So basically we're doing tarot, numerology, face reading, psychic reading and telephone numerology. So you ask about yourself, your family, as many questions as you want, and we are here to guide you. Thank you.
And it means that you will tell anything, like what do we need to do so that you will tell about our future?
Pay, I think. Start with paying first. But how we go about it is that I take your date of birth and we do little bit numerology, we do little bit of face reading, we do little bit of tarot cards. We open the cards like this and we find out whatever is written on the card, and then somehow we get into the impact of how it is going to help you in your life. Guidance.
How can my audience reach you? Do you have an online portal?
You can reach me through my Instagram account. It's called Mystic Healing Rays, as written over here. It's Mystic Healing Rays, and on Instagram I'm available 24/7, and that would be good.
Thank you. Guys, whenever you come to any fair, make sure to enjoy this eatable ice cream, Manny's ice cream. Good. So at last, I've explored many products, and you can still explore these products in my YouTube channel, and you can also see their Instagram handles. So guys, now I'm going because it's time to go home and I'm very hungry. Bye. Thanks for watching this video, and you must have explored a lot of things. See you in my next video.